talk on the screen porch. So in love, now you're the one I'm losing sleep for. And I hope the wrong ones slip right through. We find some way to fall in love like we were. Yeah, you're the only reason I was California dreaming in the first place.
Hello my lovely, beautiful, gorgeous people. It's Odette. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching and for tuning in. So today we're going to talk about skincare 101, a day in the life, lazy girl skincare routine, and this is what I'm going to show you today. My face is glowing just a little bit. That's because it's freshly washed out of the shower. Okay, so I'm going to go in. First of all, I'm going to just do my brows. My brows are microbladed. I'm going to leave the link somewhere for you guys, or you can check out sassyover55.com. It's an amazing website, guys. And check out the loyalty and giveaway section. It's going to be coming up shortly. So I'm just going to darken my brows a little. I don't really need to do much with my eyebrows because, like I said, they are microbladed, so I don't need to fuss too much with it. And this eyebrow pencil I've shown you guys before, this is from Sephora. I'm going to leave it again in the description box for you just in case you want to get it. And like I said, nothing too heavy with the brows. Just keeping it nice and dark and even. Okay, so that's all we need. And so there are days where I just don't feel like doing too much with my skin, but I also want to be able to use the right products anyways. So I'm just going to start with my my face oil. And of course, I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this on my face. I love this oil. As you can see, it is non-greasy and it just really absorbed directly into my skin. And of course, I'm going to leave everything in the description box for you guys. And I like to go in with my beauty elixir from Caudalie. So I got a smaller one this time, and I'm going to spritz my face just a little. Because you want to make sure that your skin is getting the right elements so it can be fresh and it can be hydrated throughout the day. And so I just like to take my hands and just tap that in. Again, that just dries right into my skin. And I'm going to go in with my eye cream. And I'm just going to put a little bit of this to the bottom of my eyes. But I'm also going to put this on top as well. And I'm going to blend this out. And of course, you have to always use a separate cream for your eyes because your face creams will not work for your eyes. It wouldn't, okay? Trust me, it wouldn't. It has to be separate because I think also eye creams are a little bit more gentle and subtle around the eyes. So it's always good to use a really good eye cream. And now I'm going to use my La Roche-Posay oil-free moisturizer. This is so good. Love this so much. You guys are going to be seeing a close-up of this right now. And I'm going to take a little bit of this and I'm just going to put this basically in my T-zone. Okay, not too much of this, just a little bit. And I'm going to massage this into my skin. And I'm using a very gentle massage. And this keeps your face so beautiful and mattified. It is amazing. And that's it. So what I like to do also is just go in with my beauty bar. You're going to find all of these things on sassyover55.com. It's all about skincare. And I'm going to give my face a little massage with this. I'm not sure if you guys can hear that buzzing sound. So we're just going to massage the face. Oh my God, this feels so good on my skin. And this feels so soothing on my skin. And so I'm just going to put on my lashes off camera, and I will pop in just 1 second. Okay, my loves, my eyelashes are on, and I'm just going to use my Essence hairspray. And this smells so good. Just spray this on. This hairspray smells amazing. I'm going to leave it in the description box for you guys. And to finish this off, I'm just going to go in with some lip gloss. And I'm just going to go in with a little lip liner. I'm going to go in with my Osea C Mineral Mist. Oh my God, this is so good. So we're just going to let this dry down for a minute. Okay, my lovelies, here we are. My Lazy Girl skincare routine is done. This is my face without any makeup. I am so happy to be sitting on camera with you guys, not wearing any makeup. It is a pleasure for me because I am so proud of my skin, how my skin is looking. It's not perfect, but all the products that I use on my skin, you guys, everything is on my YouTube channel. Check it out, all of my skincare videos, and you know exactly what I use on my skin before microblading, after microblading. You know everything because I share everything with you guys, and everything that I have used have really allowed my skin to look really cleared up, even skin tone, not blushy, soft, plump, moisturized, and I'm very, very proud of my skin. Don't forget to check out sassyover55.com. It's a website where you will learn everything you need to start your skincare journey. Recommended products, tip sheets, loyalty and giveaway section is also on there. I am going to be doing a giveaway as well. That's going to be coming up. Please check it out. It costs you nothing to click on the website. It is an amazing website, and I'm looking for your support on this. You don't have to subscribe. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is comment on one of my blog pages, and it's just really easy and simple. And so this is it. Okay, I am going to leave it here for today, and I thank you so much for watching. My name is Odette, and again, all the products that I use on my face is going to be down below for you. I shall see you guys next time. Toodles.